This video was originally going to be about the two different quality modes of recording 1080p 60 internally to the Nikon Z6. Normal quality and high quality. But I decided might as well throw in some external tests as well, so HDMI out to the Atomos Ninja V. And as it turns out, the Ninja V has a bit of a glitch. So if you purchase the extra $100 H.265 license, you can record in three different modes: HQ, MQ, and LQ, which are, or should be, 30 megabit per second, 422 10-bit, 20 megabit per second, 422 10-bit, and 10 megabit per second, 420 8-bit. And so the little glitch is that instead of HQ being 30 and MQ being 20, it's flipped. So the MQ is recording 30 and HQ is recording 20. So little mistake. The big mistake is that all three of these modes look awful. I mean, worse quality than the compression you get after uploading your video to YouTube. So like this area right here, all the defocused blurred area, is completely macro blocked. And I could see if you were using these files as proxies, but for example, if your computer has a hard time running H.265, which unless it has a dedicated chip like the M1 or M2 Apple processors have, this is not going to be a very efficient proxy workflow. You'd rather have like a lower resolution ProRes proxy, for example, because ProRes runs so smoothly on so many computers. But so who's this for? If it looks bad and cannot be used for your final product, I mean, the only reason people are buying Atomos Ninjas is so that they can have a better quality image with the sacrifice of having a larger big unit connected to your camera. I mean, yes, you can have it as a monitor, but I mean, I bought it because I wanted to record the full ProRes RAW footage, not some really, really low bitrate. And on that topic, the internal 1080p 60 AVC, which is H.264, is normal quality 50 megabit, high quality 100 megabit, 420 8-bit, and it looks great. I mean, the oversampled 4K from 6K looks amazing. It's SDR only while recording internally, and to get that oversampling, you have to do it in 420 8-bit, but it's awesome. This footage does not look awesome. So either, I guess Atomos could sell it as H.265 proxy or low bit rate or something rather, or bump up the bit rate a little bit until it actually looks usable.